Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent over from Donmily hair. So just in case any of you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and leave all the links in the description box. You already know how that go. So this is the packaging right here. Really cute. It just has their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube information. As you can see, this hair is so pretty, y'all. So pretty. I believe this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, so it already comes pre-plucked, but the hairline, but the knots is not bleached. I'm not going to bleach the knots, but this is what it's looking like up close. And then the construction, like I said, is a 5x5 lace closure. They give you 2 combs. They also give you a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and a little bit of lace. So I'm just going to try this on really quick so you guys can see what it's looking like. They do give you a middle part that comes already with the wig. Now, you're not going to be able to see the part because I do have on a black stocking cap. Yeah, it's really pretty. When I brush it out at the ends are like bushy. Not like bushy in a bad way, but like it's not nice and sleek up here. So it basically lost like its body wave texture, but I can probably fix that. But this is really pretty. Like, look at that. That's really nice. So let's see. And I think I found my brush. I saw it somewhere. Hold on. All right, I knew I saw my brush somewhere, y'all, and I've been missing this thing, and it's been in my son's room the whole time. So this is what it looks like brushed out. So yeah, these is definitely not going to stay. Like, the texture is not going to stay. I wish it did. Oh my god, I missed you, brush. I miss this brush so much. But as you can see, it's laying flat. I'm not really going to have to do much to this wig. This is nice and full as well. Like, look at this. It's really, really pretty. Wow. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to, before I cut off the lace, because the knots aren't bleached, I don't know if this is going to help, but I know for sure because I have on a black stocking cap, this will help. So I'm going to go in and take my my foundation. This is by NARS, and I have like a little brush right here, and we're going to see how this works out. I really don't want to use this on my lace, but we'll see. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like after I added my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on again just to see if you can see the part. And you can see it a little bit. Some foundation got on the hair a little bit, but for the most part you can see it. Now hopefully this can act as a glueless wig, so I won't have to glue it down. Now I'm going to adjust my straps, and I normally just click them together. Not click them, what am I, Dorothy? Alright, I usually attach them together. So let's see how this fits my head. And actually it fits my head really good. So this is what it's looking like. Alright guys, so I went ahead and curled the ends with my one curler, and as you can see, it's coming out really pretty, and it still has that wave. I only did the ends, so I already did one side. I'm going to go ahead and do this side so you guys can make, dang, I still got so much left. Hold on. So you can see, you know, what I did. So I didn't take like small pieces. I took a good amount, and I'm starting at the ends, and I'm just wrapping it around. And then it should look like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and then come back when I'm finished. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Let me step back so y'all can see how full and pretty these curls are. I did add some to my face just because it was kind of flat, just right there, but that's what it looks like. So pretty. I'm gonna put some heat to the top because I feel like I want it to be a little bit flat. I feel like it's not flat because of my braids underneath. I still have 2 French braids.
Wow.
Huh? I'm just going to take a little bit of this wax stick because I do see flyaways, and it's probably going to get the hair laying flatter. And I'm going to fix this one. For some reason, I don't like the way it looks. What the hairline is looking like, but I feel like it's missing some baby hair in the middle. Alright, so that's much better. Look how full and pretty. This is really a pretty wig, I'm not gonna lie, and I wasn't expecting the curls to come out looking this good. Y'all can see, I wish that my hair was in a straight back ponytail. I hate wearing 2 braids, but when I put that V-part wig on, I put 2 braids in my hair and I just didn't feel like taking it out. So I be thinking it look humpy because usually my hair is really flat because it's slicked back. Ooh. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. This was quick, fast, easy. And y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. But I am loving her. like a lot.